All right, that ought to do it. Thank you for sharing Hogg's birthday. I remember one play in particular. I was playing defensive end, and the coach of the other team decided to run it everybody at me. He even pulled the guard and tackle. The whole team came in my way. He was determined to get the ball around my end. So I dove down and prayed. And of course, I was on their side of the scrimmage line. And God said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Lord, I can't see the ball carrier. There are too many people." He said, "Well, if you want to make a play, you'd better get up." I had my cleats already sunk in. I got up, and the ball carrier ran. He was right there. He got caught in my shoulder, and that was the end of that play. So thank you. I'm going to share that with you. Thank you. Thank you all for my birthdays. My birthday, your birthday wishes. Thank you now from Hog Dungeons. Yes, all right. Thank you now.